Number 12. One solution of equation ax squared plus b equal to 181 is 8. Okay. A and b are both positive integers. Integers is just a whole number. Positive, negative, and greater than 1. So it can be 2, 3, 4, and so on. Greater than 1. Okay, find the value of b. Okay, normally if you have two unknown, you should create form simultaneous equation. But in this case, you have no information. You have not enough information to form equation. Therefore, we do try and error. Okay. See, the question asks for b, we substitute the a value. Say a is equal to 2. Okay, we just calculate it. Okay. If substitute, okay, before that, b, okay, ax squared plus b is equal to 181. Therefore, your b should equal to 181 minus ax squared. So if we try a and b, if a is 2, so here just now we said a and b should be 2, 3, 4, and so on. It's a positive greater than 1. Okay, just try 4, 3, for example. Okay. If you calculate with 3, with 2, okay, a equal to 2, b should equal to, change color, easier. If a equal to 2, b is equal to 181 minus 2x squared. Okay, x is 8. Okay, put the 8 here. So x, x, 2, so it's 64, 2x squared, 8 squared. So you should get 53. If a equal to 3, b should equal to 181 minus 2. 8 squared is 64. It's 3 times 64. You calculate, it should get negative 11. If a equal to 4, so b should equal to 181 minus 4 times 64. You should get negative 75. Okay. If you observe here, this side is getting negative. The bigger the a, your b is negative. Therefore, you only have one answer, which is here. And your b will be 53. So a is equal to 2. B is equal to 53. B, write down the other solution of the equation ax squared plus b equal to 181. Okay. You substitute, since only 1 mark, just take the negative, because square here, when you solve, you get x equal to 181 minus b over a, the square root. Okay, the square root will give you a plus minus. So since it's 8, the other one should be negative 8. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.